Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 8 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So I'd like to show you two different ways of checking the serial number, and the first one, which is the quickest one, and the second, which is a little bit longer, however still useful. So let's open the dialer to show you to perform this quicker option and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see at the very bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device. Let's tap on OK, and as I said, let me show you another way, which is through the settings. So let me find the settings, and if you are in the general settings, simply scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone, and right here we have to find the model. Let's simply tap on it, and as you can see on the second position, we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.